Today we are exploring the RockJam 61-key keyboard piano superkit, a complete starter package that bundles a full-size 61-key digital keyboard with a sturdy stand, padded bench, over-ear headphones, keynote stickers, and free Simply Piano lessons. It's tailor-made for beginners looking to dive into playing without hunting down every accessory separately. Key features and specifications. This superkit packs 61 full-size keys with a smooth pitch bend wheel, plus 200 built-in tones, 200 rhythms, and 40 demo songs, all routed through dual stereo speakers. You'll find 3 teaching modes, a metronome, split keyboard functionality, record playback, 46-note memory, sustain and transpose controls, and both USB and 3.5mm aux headphone jacks. Power it via the included adapter or 6 D-cell batteries for true portability. Price. Right now, you can grab the entire RockJam superkit for about $129.99 with free returns, an unbeatable value for a full 61-key setup plus all the extras. Pros and cons. On the plus side, this kit delivers plug-and-play convenience, robust teaching features, and a complete accessory suite in one box. The pitch bend wheel and Simply Piano integration make learning fun. On the downside, some users report low speaker volume and occasional quality control hiccups like uneven keys or flimsy hardware. Customer reviews summary. With over 45,000 ratings averaging 4.5 out of 5 stars, buyers praise the superkit's great value and everything in one convenience. Many highlight how quickly they were able to start playing, while a few note minor build issues or wish for more advanced sound options. Should you buy it or not? If you are a beginner craving a hassle-free, budget-friendly way to learn piano with comprehensive accessories, the RockJam superkit is a top pick. However, if you need pro-grade weighted keys or deeper sound libraries, you may want to upgrade down the road. For most novices, though, this bundle hits all the right notes.